Hi there, students. To pull through. Okay, I think the primary meaning of pull through is to survive, to become well again after a serious illness, particularly when you might have died. So the doctors were very worried about her after the accident, but now they think that she will pull through. She's expected to pull through. The doctors say that she will pull through. She will get better. Okay, so to get over a very serious illness, you could pull someone through something, to help someone deal with a difficult period in their lives. So my savings pulled me through a period of unemployment. Yeah, they helped me to succeed in dealing with a difficult period. Yeah, or to pull through a difficult period. This year was a crisis year for the company, but it looks like it's going to pull through. So to succeed despite great difficulties, to succeed where it looks like everything's going to fall to pieces, or also to help somebody to succeed in a period like that. Okay, so the Chancellor of the Exchequer pulled the country through a financial crisis. Yeah, the new medicine helped pull him through his illness. Some people sometimes pull through things which are quite incredible. So to pull through, to give somebody the necessary care or assistance to survive, to endure, to keep going despite something critical, something catastrophic. Okay, so yeah, my investments helped me pull through the economic crash. He's still in critical condition, but he's expected to pull through. Okay, yeah, financially we've had a very bad year, but I'm certain we are going to be able to pull through. And you can pull somebody through something, you help them survive or get through something. So with lots of encouragement we pulled her through the pain and trouble. So to pull through, to help somebody out through their trouble with perseverance, to assist somebody through difficulties, through pain, through injury, yeah, or just to come through trouble or illness with perseverance. You don't give up, just keep trying. Okay, so to pull through, to survive a dangerous or difficult situation, or to help somebody do that. So if somebody with a serious illness pulls through, they recover. Yeah, it was his determination to fight that helped pull him through. Yeah, okay, so to recover from a serious illness, or to recover from a crisis, to pull through. Notice he pulled through it. So this is an inseparable phrasal verb. The through needs to come after the through. He pulled through it, not he pulled it through. He pulled through it. So it's an inseparable one. Formality helped him pull through. Very often pull through, I'm thinking, is intransitive as well. I think I'm going to give it 3.5, 4 in formality. Use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation, in a semi-formal writing, just about. Yeah, but It's on the edge. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. That's better. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To pull through.